Let's start with the slowdown in the London property market. I know sitting in London, we're all a little bit obsessed with it, but is this affecting your mortgage business at all?
No, our growth for the first 9 months of the year was up 48%, I believe the number is. So we're seeing tremendous growth in commercial and the residential market too.
Vernon, good morning to you. It's Manus.
Morning.
We just had a long conversation with Jess Staley over at Barclays, and Jess is sort of saying that we're very prepared for the hardest of Brexit. I want to get a sense from you. You're lending to a whole host of people in the United Kingdom. Has there been any slowdown at all at the counter? How is counter confidence for you at Metro Bank from the individual and from the small businesses that you talk to?
Right. So as Metro Bank, and this is our 9th year, so we've had a long experience operating in London. We serve the consumer business, small business, and also middle market business too. If there has been no slowdown in our growth, but you do get the sense that we might be reaching the end of the curve here, and you see a little bit of slowing down, but certainly not anything that looks like a crash.
Okay, so are you slowing the pace of new openings in that case?
No, we're not. Our business model is about taking market share. We've had tremendous growth quarter after quarter. We're building new stores. We just opened our actually a store in Bath, as I've learned to say in Britain, Bath. And we're opening about 1 new store a month, and our acceptance by the business public and the consumer just continues to grow and grow.
I've literally just looked at the proposition that's available to me from Marcus. Of course, this is Goldman Sachs. They're coming after you, Vernon. They're snapping at you. Or are they? How much of a threat is Marcus, the vehicle created by Goldman Sachs? They're offering 1.5% on UK deposits. That's tasty from where I'm sitting in Dubai. How much of a threat are they?
First of all, there's lots of room in the market for lots of different people to compete. Marcus is competing only on rate. You can always grow your business if you're the high rate payer on deposits. Marcus has already dialed back in America. Our proposition is about service and convenience. We welcome Marcus to try whatever they want, and we all compete in a different way.
The mortgage market, of course, very competitive as well. What are you seeing in that market, given the outlook for the Bank of England rate hikes in the context of Brexit?
Well, we had an unusual thing in the last 2 quarters. The Bank of England raised the base rate twice, and the residential mortgage rate has gone down. It's something you wouldn't expect normally. So I think we have a little blip in the market in that way.
A blip in the market. Tell me this, in terms of expansion, Vernon, I mean, I get the point that you're making about what Goldman's are doing, but expansion for you, where is the next leg of Metro Bank's business expansion?
Geographically, we're building stores west, Bristol, Cardiff. Next year we're opening in Birmingham in the Midlands. But we also offer a full array of online, mobile products. So you're competing in all segments in every way. It's not commonly known that Metro Bank is actually more a commercial bank than it is consumer. Our commercial deposits are more than our consumer deposits, and we're very actively competing in the commercial area throughout Britain.